Nation. The last 2 centuries of human history cannot be understood without comprehending the term nation. A large number of the publicists have attempted to establish objective criteria for nationhood. Some have tried to identify the nation with a particular language or ethnicity or some things. They have tried to identify it with a combination of criteria such as language, common history or territory, common cultural traits and religious practices, etc. However, writers on political science are not all agreed on the precise meaning of the terms nation, nationality, and nationalism. The word nation is derived from the Latin word natio, which means birth or race. This gives the term a racial or ethnical meaning. Etymological, a nation is a people descended from a common stock. When used in this sense, a nation means people dwelt either in a society by ties of blood relationship. Burns and Leacock define a nation in racial sense, though the former does not seem to consider common descent as an essential element. To him, nation is a population of ethnic unity inhabiting a territory of geographical unity. Leacock says that the term nation, though often loosely used, it properly to be thought of as having a racial or ethno-racial reciprocal significance. Barker has given a more realistic definition and analysis of a nation. A nation, he says, is a body of persons inhabiting a definite territory and thus united all together by the primary fact of living together on a common land.